Well, so the point of my original video was I know a lot of people in IRL, in real life, as they say, and on TikTok, and people who are learning Irish for years, for anything from 2 years to, 30 plus whatever years, and they stay at that level, that low learner level. They don't improve, and they're happy to stay at that level, and they think they're great. They think they're doing great or whatever. It's not. It's grating to me, to native speakers, or not even native speakers, but people with good fluent, non-native fluent Irish. It can be grating, and I just find it annoying. Current can't pull them. The questions my daine har rásing mar bearla. Get mar gailge rishta na gailge na bearla clifty. It's like, I understand to an extent what you're saying, but in my experience, dealing with lots of people over the years, I meet lots of Gaelgors, my time, and they just, year on year, they just stay at that level, and they think they're doing great, but they're not. They're just staying at that level, so it Jack Kerkalor, thank you.